Hello everyone, I am the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 108 summary. In this first clip, we can see the Ukrainian Foreign Legion fighting in the streets of Severodonetsk. Fighting has been heavily pitched today, much like the previous several days, but we have not seen either side manage to take any more ground. It appears that the city has largely fallen into a stalemate, with incredibly large firefights, but no actual progress. Here in this next clip, we can see a BMP1 of the Russian forces being hit by a Ukrainian drone and then exploding. We can see the crew near the back of the BMP appearing to be loading something into it or loading something out of it. We can now see one guy walking away, and now the explosion has occurred near the front of the BMP, flipping the front hood off, and a second explosion finished it off. In this next clip, we can see advanced warfare. This soldier here is wearing some VR goggles, and they're about to fly this drone off of a moving armored personnel carrier and into the distance, while the operator looks at what it's seeing through the VR headset. Truly modern warfare at its finest. In this next clip, we can see the Ghetto Cup grenade system that the Russians use veering far off target and not even hitting close to what it was actually looking at, which is in the center of the screen. We can now see the grenade explode further off to the left, to the point that it was practically worthless to drop it. In this next clip, we can actually see the Ukrainians dropping a very similar bomblet, and unlike the Russians, this one actually has some fins to stabilize its fall, and it actually takes out several Russian soldiers. In this last clip, we can see a Russian tank driving headlong into a Ukrainian mine and being destroyed. This Russian convoy was on the move near the city of Lysychansk, and this mine was actually laid by the 57th Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces. It appears that they did get one kill today, and it looks like the rest of the convoy is now coming to a halt, as they've now seen the lead tank of their convoy being destroyed. I hope you all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have enjoyed this the summary. If you did, please make sure to check out the rest of them, and we also run nightly streams at 10 PM Eastern Time covering the past 24 hours of the war in Ukraine, and we do take Mondays off. I thank you all so much once again, and I'll see you all in the next one.